Today I'm doing a LED swap out on a 585 CHB-BK-LED. If you have an LED module failure, you need to replace it sent out, and you need to install it yourself, this video is going to show you how to do it. The model that I'm working on is a chain hung fixture, but the process is going to be the same for your wall mounts, your post mounts. The same idea is going to be the same for when we do it. So first we're going to want to take off the glass. Number 2 star screwdriver, or Phillips. You can also do this while the fixture is still hanging up, but obviously it's much easier to do it when it's down, and it's much easier for me to not install this fixture for the sake of this video. So once you get the glass off, you can see the replacement, or you can see the LED inside it. It's held in by 3 screws, so you just need to pop those out using the same screwdriver. That one didn't want to come out. Alright, and then you just set your screws off to the side so you can get at them when you go to put the new one back in. Slide her out. You get to this clip. Once you have the clip, there's a little button here. You press the button, pull the piece out, take it away. You're going to put the new one back in. Goes back on just the same way. Line it up. She's in. Make sure she clips. Shove this back in there. You probably don't want to tighten them all on right away. One thing I do want to mention is on these screws there is a little plastic piece, and that is to protect the LED board when you go to put it back in. So you're going to want to make sure that these things are what's resting on the LED board when you put it back to get all together. Once again, not tightening it all the way, and wait until I have all 3 in place so that I know that my little protectors are going to be in place. I think my hand's just not meant to go in this spot. Alright, so now I'm going to tighten them all down. I don't need to go crazy with tightening it, just enough so that it's secure. That's done. Put the glass back on. And that's it. You're done.